स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से। आप देख रहे हैं कम्युनिटी राउंडअप और मैं हूं विकास नांगिया। जब कभी समाज में कला और करुणा का संगम होता है तो अनूठा परिणाम नजर आता है। न्यूयॉर्क स्थित प्रसिद्ध चित्रकार श्रेया मेहता उन उभरते हुए कलाकारों में से एक है जो क्रिएटिविटी और चैरिटी को अपने जहन में रखकर खूबसूरत पेंटिंग्स को बनाया करती हैं। उनकी पेंटिंग से प्रभावित हो कॉन्सुलेट जनरल ऑफ इंडिया ने श्रेया की एग्जीबिशन स्पिरिट ऑफ शक्ति को प्रदर्शित किया। भारतीय कौंसलावास में न्यूयॉर्क ट्राई स्टेट से कई नामी ग्रामी हस्तियां एकत्रित हुई श्रेया मेहता का हौसला बढ़ाने और उनके काम को सराहने के लिए। श्रेया की पेंटिंग्स में एक अद्भुत सी कशिश है। एग्जीबिशन के थीम स्पिरिट ऑफ शक्ति को मद्देनजर रखते हुए उन्होंने अपनी चुनिंदा पेंटिंग्स को प्रदर्शित किया। हर पेंटिंग एक कहानी, एक विचारधारा को दर्शाती थी।
Well, I'm actually deeply honored by the Indian consulate. They invited me to have an art exhibition. The event is called Spirit of Shakti. It represents female energy and a divine spirit that is within us all. All the proceeds from my work go to charity. So it's like a charity combined with an art. I work with Share and Care, which is a US-based charity. Also another US-based charity I work with is Commit to Change. Both these charities I really feel very deeply connected with because the funds that we send directly impact those who really need it. So Commit to Change supports orphan girls, education for them, and Share and Care supports many different endeavors.
अलग अलग एक्सप्रेशंस, मूड और कलर्स को श्रेया ने बखूबी कैनवस पर उतारा। खास उन्हें इस अवसर पर सम्मानित किया गया। एग्जीबिशन में शामिल सभी मेहमानों ने श्रेया की काम की दाद दी।
And I think she's done a fabulous job. Thank you to the Indian consulate for honoring her for her work. We are very proud of her and I think this event has done fabulous.
And I'm very proud of her work. She's an amazing person, artist, mother, wife, daughter-in-law, you name it, everything. She is super talented and she's so hands-on with everything and her art is just inspiring.
It's a privilege for us to come here to the Consulate General of India here in New York City to really take advantage and examine all the artwork from Shreya Mehta. Her work is really meaningful, it's soulful, and you know, even though we're personal friends with the artist, I still think that we feel a connection with the work that we see here today. And I think as important as anything is the quality of the work, but also the proceeds all go to charity, and that I think adds depth and meaning to our day-to-day.
This work is called Grace. And it's inspired by the spirit that is within all women. And I feel like it's very important that we women empower ourselves first, and then we can empower the others. All my work has many layers. As you can see, you have the hands, and behind the hands, you see the person's face. So it's not just that superficial thing that you're covering your face with, but the fact that there is an inner spirit. And where does that inner spirit come from? So it comes from spirituality and from within. Hi, so this artwork is called Woman Behind the Veil. What's special about it is that it's created from glass. It's many layers of powdered glass that gets fused in a kiln. I'm proud to say I'm one of the first Indian artists that have used this technique to create these kinds of works. The meaning behind this painting is that we are all women behind a veil, be it one that you see or one that you don't. Who are we? Are we a mother, a daughter, a wife, a lover, a paragon of virtue? For me, this symbol is a lady of beauty, strength, and beauty defined as strength. And as I said for the other works, beauty is when you can empower other people and stand up for yourself.